Exercise 3, Part 2, Design. For this next part, we're going to actually lay out an alignment of the existing location for a drainage channel in the southwest corner of the quadrant we're working in. Now to do that, I want to make sure I have the photo. You can see I have the photo here. If you don't have your photo showing, you're going to type map, W space, turn it on, and where you can see the photo referenced over here, you're just going to double click on it. That should bring the photo back up. When the photo comes in, you'll notice that it's above our contour data, so we're going to put it in the back. So we're going to shift left click and right mouse, and then we're going to say display order, send to back. There's our contours. Then the next thing we can do is resample the raster so that it's not quite so large. We're going to again turn on map, W space, and we're going to right click over the raster image and we're going to say resample raster. What that does is now you can see the photo isn't quite so huge. So before we get started, let's make a layer called channel and let's set it current. So I made my channel layer have the color red, and I have a continuous line style. So once that's done, let's make it current. Now we're going to simply use the line draw command to lay out the lines. So zooming down, again we're in the lower left-hand corner of this map. We're going to just approximate the location. And if we get it wrong, we can select the line and use the grips on the endpoints to lay it over that channel a little bit more accurately. We'll put one more tangent section down. And as you can see, we are still drawing on top of our photo, which is on top of the contour map. So if I want the contour map, I can zoom out, find the contour map, shift right or right click, oops, and try to bring it to the front. I'm not sure if that's going to work. So let's shift left mouse over the image, right click, display order, send to back, and now everything is in the right order. Coming back to the alignments that I've just laid out, I have 3 tangent lines, and now I'm going to go to the Draw tab, create curve between 2 lines, select the first tangent and the second tangent, hit enter, and specify a radius that I think will fit. I'll try 75. That looks okay. And so then up here I'll do the same thing, create a curve between 2 lines, select one, select the other, hit enter, and this time I'll try a radius of 100. That looks pretty good too. So now I have my alignment. I can trim or do anything I want. We'll just get rid of this here, just for the purpose of demonstration. Alright, so here I have an alignment. It's a curve, it's a line, a curve, a line, a curve, and a line. And now I'm going to actually define it as an alignment as follows. So this is actually listed as step 1 under part 2 in your handouts. So now we're going to go up to the Create Design tab and we're going to find Alignment, Create Alignment from Objects. We will select the line, the curve, the line, the curve, and the line, and we will then hit enter. Notice that once you do that, the arrows go in the direction that stationing will increase once we complete this operation. If you are okay with that stationing, then you will just hit enter at this point. If you're not okay with it, then you hit R for reverse. I'm okay with it, so I'm going to hit enter. Now I'll give my drainage channel a name, or my alignment a name, and I'm going to type in drainage channel. I'm going to give it a starting station. A good rule of thumb is to never start an alignment at a number less than 5 plus 0, 0. So that's what I'll do. And then I'll say OK. Now I can see that the stationing has been created once the alignment was created. Step 2, I now will create a profile for this channel. So under the Create Design tab, I'm going to go up to Profile, and the first step is very important. I'm going to select Create a Surface Profile. Now, the computer will assume I want to do this with the last alignment that I created, which is in fact correct here. There is only one surface in my drawing, so that's correct as well. And this is the important part. Make sure you click on the Add tab, which adds all the data to your drawing. All we have to do then is click on Draw in Profile View, Create Profile View, and now zoom out. And somewhere in the area that doesn't have contours or the photo, we're going to left click as our position for the profile view origin. Zooming in, now you can see that here's the profile we just created. From here we could move into final design.